There have been people that made a difference in the world they don't even know just because they encourage me and I reach the people. No one will ever know their name. My school teachers, a few of my coaches. I'm going to finish with honoring one of them today. But I also believe at the end of my life that the Lord's going to go, hey, I want to introduce you to somebody. This is the man you were destined to be. This is the man you were born to be. I want to introduce you to the destiny version. This is the person that could have had the experiences, the memories, the moments, the giving. This is the man you were born to be. To me, heaven is when I meet the man I was capable of becoming. We're identical twins. That when I meet him someday, he sees me and I say, I've been chasing you all my life, man. And he goes, I've been watching, brother. Great job. You caught me. I'm so proud of you. You gave all you could give. You saw all you could see. You had all the experiences, the moments, the travel, the journey, the bliss. So proud of you. And we meet and we're twins. I'm chasing that guy.